I'm going to send you home for the afternoon. I want you to take a break. I want you to just put the case aside for the rest of the day, and when you come back tomorrow, we'll have some further guidance as to where we're going.
And with that, jurors were excused as the 12-member panel told the court they're deadlocked in the murder trial of Phil Spector. Spector and his attorneys, along with prosecutors, were summoned to the Los Angeles court Tuesday afternoon, where jurors told the judge they were unable to reach a verdict. After a 5-month-long trial, 77 witnesses, and a week of jury deliberation, the panel said they were split 7-5 on the matter of Spector's guilt or innocence in the murder of actress Lana Clarkson. The judge now wants jurors to consider involuntary manslaughter in addition to the more serious second-degree murder charge Spector already faces. But legal analyst Stan Goldman says a verdict on either charge may now be out of reach.
Some of those jurors may very well have simply decided there's a reasonable doubt as to whether he was holding the gun. If he wasn't holding the gun for a murder, probably wasn't holding the gun for an involuntary manslaughter either.
And Goldman says it's likely that key evidence in the trial could be an issue for jurors.
The defense put together a scientific case and really did have a fair amount of evidence, believe it or not, to suggest that if Phil Spector had fired the gun, there should have been a lot of blood on him in places that blood was not found. And that's the evidence that probably is hanging this case up.
So the plan is for jurors to be back in court tomorrow, where they'll be getting more instructions on the matter of reasonable doubt, as the judge seeks to avoid a mistrial in the Phil Spector murder case. Steve Flutie, The Associated Press, Los Angeles.